Before we dive into how AI works, let's start simple. So, what at all is artificial intelligence? It's basically telling computers how to think, learn, and make decisions just like how human beings do. So, AI is not something really far away, it's already part of the tools that we use every single day. And I illustrated and explained this in my previous YouTube video, so kindly check it out. So, what exactly is artificial intelligence? So AI is defined as the effort to make computers do things that require human intelligence. That was said by Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI himself. And in simple words, it's about teaching computers how to think, learn, and make smart decisions in the same way humans do when we gain experiences throughout life. So AI learns from data just like how we learn from an experience in life. So let's move on to the types of AI, and this is really interesting. So there are mainly three types of AI. We have narrow AI, general AI, and then super intelligent AI. So the first is narrow AI. This is the kind of AI that we use every single day, and the kind of AI that many people are conversant with. It is built to perform specific tasks like voice assistants or chat assistants or fraud detection. And then there is general AI, and these are machines that could think and reason like humans, but then it is still theoretical till this day as of November 2025. With the advancement of AI and a lot of AI technology coming out these days, very soon we will see the introduction of general AI, and it's gonna be exciting. And finally, we have super intelligent AI, and these are systems that could one day surpass human intelligence. And this is the one I am most excited about because there's still a long way ahead. And right now, we haven't made a lot of advancements in super intelligent AI, but then soon to come. So now let's move on to machine learning. So a lot of people have heard of machine learning and deep learning, but then do not really know what the concept is. So I'm here to explain. Machine learning is what allows computers to learn from data, as we stated before. And this allows them to get better over time without having to instruct them or add extra prompts. Now, secondly, we go to deep learning. So, deep learning goes a step further. It uses layered neural networks to understand complex patterns in images, voice, or text. So, to simplify this to the lowest level, is basically the brain of the AI. And these neural networks are the things that connect complex patterns so the AI understands what exactly is going on and can learn from that. Together, these systems power a lot of things, just like your facial recognition on your iPhone or Samsung, voice assistants, and then also business forecasting. And I'll go on to explain a lot of those subjects and how exactly AI helps them. So that's how AI becomes smarter through practice, just like human beings. So now we are going to see the implications of AI in real life, and we are going to see how exactly it plays around us in Ghana. Here in Ghana, AI already touches everyday life, and most people don't realize. Firstly, your mobile money app uses AI to stop fraudulent events from happening before it even happens. Secondly, banks rely on AI chatbots that answer customers instantly, and this really reduces your waiting time at the bank if you have realized. Um, and also, even your favorite shopping and streaming app, Jumia and Showmax, use AI to recommend what you likely watch or buy next. So yes, AI is already a part of your day, and machine learning even advances it to get more data and also help us in our everyday lives as well. Next, we are going to discuss AI in business, and this is my favorite aspect of the presentation. So, a few Ghanaian businesses are already using AI to work smarter. Marketing teams use AI to direct their ads to specific audiences and also track their sales. I've had a few conversations with a marketing expert, and he told me that sometimes he uses AI to predict the outcome of the sales and also to predict what he should do before the sales. And another conversation I had, which I stated in my last video, was with an agriculture expert, and he also practically used AI to predict the end goal and also to help him throughout the process of his yields and his farming processes. Additionally, fintech companies rely on AI for fraud checks and in credit scoring. And yeah, again, this is a practical example of AI in our real life. As I stated again, AI isn't replacing people. That is contrary to a lot of people's beliefs that AI is going to replace our jobs and all that. But then it's rather helping businesses save time and make better decisions. And that is my purpose for starting my company and also starting this journey as well. So now we have to move to the risks of having AI um do your daily tasks or having AI in your business as well. Because like any powerful tool, there are a lot of downsides. So let's move on. So with AI, there are a lot of concerns around its data privacy and how a lot of people can access its data if they were to be very skilled hackers. And another problem a lot of people have with AI is also its biased algorithms and how sometimes it hallucinates with the information it gives out to its user. And lastly, the biggest concern with AI is job replacement. As AI has the capabilities to do a lot of tasks and to do a lot of tasks repeatedly and really well, a lot of people are concerned for their jobs. Several software engineers have been laid over. Several people that have technical expertise have now been laid off because AI is just very, very good. And that alone should warn you about using AI. But then in Ghana, AI tools must also protect users from fraud and misinformation because that is also a very, very hectic problem if it comes about. So the goal isn't to fear AI here in this slide, but then I'm just saying that everyone should use AI responsibly and should also refrain from giving all their information or giving sensitive information as it could potentially be leaked out um, to anyone on the internet. So things like business bank statements, your financial information, your personal financial information, it could help you with investments, but then simple information about your personal life and also your personal finances should be protected to you to prevent any mishaps. So now that I've finished talking about the risks and the ethical challenges, I would like to say thank you for listening to this and also thank you for being in this Facebook group because not a lot of people do want to educate themselves about AI and how exactly AI can help them in the next 10 to 20 years. And to finish that, thank you for listening to this video. Kindly subscribe, kindly join the kindly join the Facebook group. And in the next lesson, I'm going to be teaching machine learning basics and understanding machine learning, how it applies to you, and how you can move on with it. Thanks.